Wouldn't you like to speak to your accountant at the end of the year and be surprised when he says the energy bill has gone down? That would be a great achievement in these times of rising energy prices. Once commissioned, a building should be operating at a high level of efficiency, but this will change over time with day-to-day requests for set point adjustments, plant deterioration through wear and tear, and changes in a building's utilisation. Having a strategy for energy saving is good, and using the BMS does enable the plant user to control the building efficiently. Understanding what is going on inside a building can be difficult to analyse when requests from staff generate numerous small alterations. On the face of it, these alterations look insignificant and would seem to have little effect on cost. The reality is that these requests make it difficult to understand what is really going on inside a building. So how do we manage this situation? The Energy Solutions Group have their own research and development team and have created EcoAnalytics, which is part of a suite of software tools that are available as part of a support contract. EcoAnalytics is a condition-based support tool that gathers critical temperature and energy data from your building management station. With a simple installation of EcoAnalytics on the BMS PC, we can get the information you need to take control and get measured results. What is the information that EcoAnalytics collects? Continually checking space conditions, checking that optimum conditions are reached, profiling critical temperatures, exception and summary reporting, alarm information, and system auditing. This report will enable our engineers to quickly identify poor areas of control and direct their time accordingly. Mrs. Smith in the kitchen is called complaining about the low hot water temperature. Let us go and have a look at the EcoAnalytics report for the domestic hot water system. We can see the report tells our engineer that the control loop performance has fallen to 30%, which is really low. Although the control loop has been demanding the valve 100% of the time, the set point has not been reached. These figures could indicate that there is a jammed valve, or simply that the linkage needs checking. By making use of this report information, the site engineer can quickly check the operation of the plant and bring it back into commission. We can see this report indicates that the control loop performance is again really low and is being demanded 100% of the time, and again the set point is not being reached. This could indicate that there is an issue with the boilers. If there is a full demand and the set point is not being reached, a boiler could have failed. This type of information can give the user the ability to fault find and to identify an early stage plant that could require replacement. Mr. Jones has asked for the set point to be raised in classroom 21 as the space temperature is cold. Let us have a look at the report for this area. We can see the report indicates that the control loop performance is satisfactory, with a performance figure of around 75%. However, we can see that the set point of 20 degrees C is not being reached on a high number of occasions, and this could indicate a radiator in the particular area having been turned off. A site engineer should investigate this further. While we're looking at this report, we can see that Zone 7 may have a problem which could lead to energy wastage. This graph quickly shows us that the set point in Zone 7 is overshooting a majority of the time, with an average mean temperature of 21.4 degrees C. This information is really valuable and allows us to go into the BMS and make the necessary adjustment to ensure the system is operating at the optimum performance. Without this vital information, the plant conditions could be left unchecked for months, leading to excessive energy usage. So what are the key benefits? Around-the-clock system checking, identification of energy wastage, alarm pattern information, auditable weekly reports. All this adds up to a support contract that monitors your building using the very latest applications, which continually deliver energy efficient outcomes. We at the Energy Solutions Group strive to reduce your carbon footprint and deliver exceptional value for money.